Hello students, in this lecture I am going to discuss analytical reasoning. In analytical reasoning also, one part is what my seating arrangement, right? So generally seating arrangement depends on its a pattern of arrangement. We classified into two categories only, so linear type and circular type, right? So linear type again classified into two types, so row arrangement and queue arrangement, right? So if you want to figure it out the questions correctly, first of all we should get familiarity with this terminology on, right? So generally they can give the questions, so left right, immediate left, immediate right, so like that, right? Left means is it your left or the persons who are facing what my screen, their left, right? We are getting little bit sort of confusion, na? So to make it clear, first we should get familiarity with this terminology, right? So generally nothing mentioned in the question. So all persons are facing, so what ma according to your direction, right? All persons facing north we can consider like that, right? So this in what ma map pointing point of view, so top is north and bottom is south. Your left is what ma west, your left, and your right is what ma here east, right? This is by default, nothing mentioned in the directions, we can consider like that, right? If person facing south, then those are what ma facing the screen opposite to you, right? It is the meaning of it, right? Okay, now first of all we can consider this direction only. When directions are not specified in the question, then we can consider like this, right? Now let consider, let 5 persons are there, right? So consider 5 persons, right? A B C D E, I can take it. Consider A B C D E, right? So direction not mentioned, those are facing north direction, right? And B is a right of A, right? What is the meaning for right? Anywhere right of A, right? It is not exact direction, anywhere, right? Anywhere right, it is the meaning for right, right? In row arrangement case, right means what ma? Anywhere right, it is the meaning of it. Now I'm taking 5 positions here, 5 positions. Now B is a right of A, right? If I'm taking A in the leftmost part here, so now B is the right of A. Anywhere B I can take here, it is also correct. Anywhere right of this particular thing, right? Here also I can consider, here also I can consider, right? B is right of what ma? A, anywhere, right? Anywhere right of A, it is the meaning of it, not exactly immediate right, right? If I'm taking A here and might be here and B might be here also, B might be here. If I'm taking A here, right? And B might be here, B might be here. If I'm taking A here, B might be here, right? Many possibilities are there here. We don't know exact location of A and B here. And if you know location of A also, B has many choices here, right? Now see next one. B is sitting immediate right of A, right? What is the meaning for B is sitting immediate right of A here? Now I'm and B is sitting what ma here? Immediate right of A, right? That means immediately next right only. It is the meaning for immediate right, right? Anywhere if you know A location, B is immediate to him. It is the meaning of it, right? Now see next one. B sits adjacent to A, right? B sits next to A on, right? And here also same thing. So 5 positions I am taking here, and B sits next to A on, right? If I am taking A here, B sits compulsorily here on, right? If I am taking here what? A, B sits next to A, adjacent to A means what? B might be here or B might be here, na? So this is also correct, this is also correct. It is the meaning of it, right? So immediate adjacent only, immediate next only, but either left or right, immediate right, we don't know exactly, so that we can consider in that direction, right? Next see this one. A sits between B and C on, right? A sits between B and C means what? 5 positions I am taking. A sits between B and C on, right? If I am taking what ma? A I am taking here, right? Otherwise B C I am taking here, right? B C I am taking here. Your A might be what ma? Anywhere between B and C on, right? A sits between B and C means anywhere, right? It is not exactly what ma? Exactly in between, na? So that is the meaning of it. So A sits between B and C means what ma? I can take here A, I can take A maybe here also, A may be here also. Otherwise, if I know A location, right? If I know A location, A is sitting here, right? Suppose, and B, C may be where ma here A is sitting. B and C may be what ma here. So here B, here C also correct. Here B, here C, here B also correct. And here B, I can take differently also, right? And I can take C here also. In this case also between B and C only A is there, na? Between B and C, A present here. It is not exactly in between, na, here. And C might be here also. That is also correct. If I take A here, B might be here, B might be here. Many possibilities will get. And here between B and C, A might be anywhere. It is the meaning of it, right? If I know BC location, A might be anywhere. It is the meaning of it, na? So that we, in that way we can take it, right? And similarly, I am taking A sits exactly between B and C on, right? What is the meaning for exactly between B and C value here? I can take here 5 positions. So exactly in between B and C on, right? So exactly in between means what ma? Between B and C, equal spaces between A and B and C only A present. Suppose I am taking B here and C here, right? C here I am taking, right? Then where A will sit my here, A will sit here on, right? Equal spaces between B and C. It is the meaning of it, right? B sits exactly in between B and C, na? Equal positions. It is the meaning of it, right? Suppose I am taking like this also. So B, C sitting here on, right? Now A means what ma? Where we can put, we can't put any other places, na, here. Now I am taking B and C value here, right? So here I can take B and C. Then we can't place A value here, right? So between B and C value, equal position between B and C, A we need to place it on, you know, exactly between, right? Exactly in between B and C mentioned. Between, exactly in between, lot of difference is there that you have to understand starting, right? So that is the meaning of it. Now I can take here also B and C. If I put B value here and C value here, A will sit here. Order might be different also. Here C, here B also we can consider like that. Next one, A is the only between B and C on, right? What the meaning for A is only between B and C? I am taking 5 positions here. A is sitting only between B and C on. If I am taking A position here, B and C here are reverse order. C, B value, right? A is only person between B and C on, right? Clear, ma? A is only between B and C. It is the meaning of it, right? Next one, B is the 2 places away to the right of A. B is the second place to the right of A on, right? What is the meaning of it, right? We'll see that B is 2 places away to the right of A. If I'm placing A value here, and 2 places away means what? My second right on. Between B and A, one gap only should be present, right? So here is the meaning. A I am taking here, and here B we can place 2 places away means what? My second place on, right? So here I can put B on, right? So this value I can take A position also we can consider here 1, 2, 3 on, and 2 places away we are placing B on. It is the meaning of it. And second right of A also what ma? Between A, if I am taking A, second right position I am placing B on, right? So suppose if I am taking here between B and A, 2 places away means what ma? One gap should be present on, right? One gap on, right? Suppose I am taking same thing. B is n places away from the n places away to the right of A given. Between B and A, n minus 1 places should be present on, right? So this is the basic terminology in what my row arrangement case, right? We have to get clarity with this terminology, and we'll see that Q also, right? In Q also, before we can tell, na, before previously we told like a right and left, and here before after we can use it. Before what ma? Behind, like that we can use the terminology. Before means what ma? Anywhere, so front of you, right? Clear ma? So anywhere before you, that is the meaning of it. Anywhere before the that particular position, it is the meaning. After, behind means anywhere after that particular position, right? Immediate before means what ma? Exactly in front on, right? In front, exactly in front. Next one, immediate after means what ma? Next on, immediately next on, right? And B stands next to A. I'm taking here, this is a terminology. Let's consider 5 positions here also in a queue. B stands after A, right? So I can take here A. B might be where ma? After A, anywhere after this particular position. Na? So now I can take B value here, B value here, B value here, B might be here, anywhere, all are correct positions on. So B stands after A on, right? A stands before B on, right? A stands before B. Let's consider 5 positions here also. So I'm taking here B here, right? So A stands before what ma? B only. A might be here, A might be here, na? Before means, so in front of him anywhere, right? Clear ma? This is the meaning of it. So here in front next have a different meaning. It is the immediate, right? So before after means has a different meaning, na? That you have to understand before solving this puzzle sum, right? Now I'm taking some examples to make it clear on this particular concept, right? And first of all, see that let 5 boys A, B, C, D and E are seated on a bench. A is the left of C on, right? A is the left of C. So symbolically means what ma? We can use the symbols. So A is the left of C on. I'm writing here left, right? A is the left of C and gap between A and C not specified here, right? Next one ma? B is the immediate right of D here. B is the immediate right of D. If I know D position and B is what ma? It's the immediate right on, right? So immediate right, B is the immediate right of D. So between D and B no gap na here. I can put 0 gaps if you want, right? So right only but 0 gap on, right? Next one ma? So B is the immediate right of D and there are 2 people between C and D on, right? Between C and D there are 2 persons are there here. So I can take like that. C D order may be different. Reverse also I can consider like that. Na? Next one, E is the extreme right of the row, right? So E is the extreme right of the row. 5 persons are there. I can take the row here like this, right? Here all persons are my directions are not specified. Your left only left of that particular arrangement, right? Your right only here. And here already mentioned last part. E is the extreme right of the row, na? So here its particular direction we know, right? So I can take which position exactly. If you know that with that part we can start it, right? So E position is fixed here. So E we are fixing here, right? Next one. So what ma here between D and B immediate position, B position I don't know, D position also I don't know, right? Between C and D there are 2 positions are there, totally 4 places are there. I can put C value here and D value here, na? D value here. Between C and D exactly 2 positions are there, na? There are 2 persons between C and D on, right? Next one, reverse also we can consider. Here D, here C also I can consider here. Next one ma? So C is what ma here? A is the left of C only. A is the left of C, right? So that means what ma here? So definitely it is not correct here. So we can't put its left side value, na? Nothing, we can't put it. So this arrangement we can ruled out, right? Next one we'll see that here D and C only. Now we got my A is the left of C on, right? And B is the immediate right of B. So I can put B value here, right? And next one ma A is the left of C. I can put the A value here, right? Now they are asking who is the middle in this group, right? Who is the middle in this group? So A is the middle in this particular group, right? Your answer is what ma? A, right? In this way we can answer it, right? First of all, what ma? Write your data in short format. It is easy to represent it, na? Okay, we'll see one more question. We'll get clarity on this part, right? Now see this question here. 5 persons P, Q, R, S and T are standing in a queue, right? There are 2 persons between S and T given. So Q is standing in front of T given and R is at the end of the queue. P is standing behind S only and who is the standing middle of the queue, right? Here also 5 persons are there here. We can take like this. 5 positions we are taking. and here R is at the end of the queue mentioned in the question. So he is what ma end of the queue, right? So let I can take R value here, right? Next one ma. So here there are two persons between S and T given. So between S and T, so two gaps na here, S and T, right? It may be TS format also. It is one condition, right? Next one ma. Q is standing in front of T. In front means immediate before na, in front, right? So Q is standing in front of T only. If I know T value, Q is standing in front of this particular thing. Between these are two things, zero gaps on, right? Now P is standing behind S on, right? So P is standing behind S. Behind means what ma? So behind only, no gap. Gaps we can't specify it na here. So P is standing behind S on, right? Now we'll see that. Now here four places are there. This arrangement I am doing here, right? I am filling this particular thing. So S and T, between S and T, there are two gaps na here, two gaps on, right? Next one ma. So in front of T, Q should be present and T cannot be present here. If I place a T value here, in front I can't place the Q value na here. So so we can cancel it out the T position here. So T cannot be here and T should be what ma? Last place on, right? So T cannot be here, right? And S cannot be here automatically, right? Next one, we got the TS position now. So in front of T, what ma? So Q should be present here in this statement, na? So in front of T, immediate before T, Q present here. Next one ma, behind S, P is present, right? Behind S, P is present. Then who is middle in this particular Q ma? So Q, right? Middle value how much? Third position only. Q is your correct answer on, right? It is very simple once if you are getting familiar with this terminology, right? And see next question, you'll get clarity on this part, right? And here what ma? 5 persons A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row facing north, not necessarily in that order. We know the following information about their seating arrangement, right? A is standing right of what ma? B given, right? A is standing right of B. So we can represent A is standing right of B here, right? A is standing right of B. So number of gaps between A and B value how much we don't know. I'm writing right on, right? Next one, we can use the same thing like this also. Inequality format we can represent, but not required here. A is 3 places away from D given, right? So A is 3 places away from D. Between D and A value, so what ma? How many gaps we can get? Away given. Order might be different, right? Here we can get like this also. So two gaps we can get it between them, right? So 2 places away means what ma? 3 places away means what? Third position away from one person from other person, right? And C is sitting extreme right end of the row, right? Now this position already is a what ma? So this position value we know exactly, so that I am taking third, right? And B is sitting immediate left of E given. B is sitting immediate left of E. If I know E value, its immediate left position what ma? B present here. Between them how many gaps here? 0 gaps, na? Now we'll use this particular data, we'll arrange the given information, right? Now see this one. Here I am taking 5 persons, right? 5 positions I am taking. So I am filling here third data, right? Third data location we know exactly, na? So C is sitting extreme right end of the row given. So here what ma? Directions are not mentioned, na? Mentioned. All persons are facing north. So that you are also facing north here. So your left only left, your right only right on, right? Clear ma? Now we'll see that C is sitting extreme right end of the row and C is sitting here, right? Next one ma? We'll see that, right? Between D and A, 2 gaps should be present. Only remaining 4 are only there. Between D and A. Here I can fill D, here I can fill A. Between them, 2 gaps are present. Here AD also I can take it, right? Next one ma? And here right of B, what ma? A should be present, right? Right of B, A on, right? If I am taking this particular last one, so here I can't put what ma? So A is a right of B and B is what ma left of A. Here in this case B I can't put left na, so this one I'm cancelling out, right? Next one ma, so immediate right of B what ma here, B and E are adjacent here. So if I take B value, E value here, right? So B and E are what ma adjacent, right? B and E are what ma, B is the immediate left of E given. I can take like this. Now I can check this condition also. First condition, B is what ma here left of A. A is right of B, na? So B is left of A, matching here. Then who is adjacent to A on, right? Adjacent to A equal to how much ma? Two persons are there adjacent to A. Either E or C we can get it, right? Either E or C is the correct option. Next, who is the middle of this particular row, right? Middle of this row equal to how much ma? We'll get like a E on, right? So in this way we can answer this question very easily, right? And see one more question. Next question, right? So there are five different houses A to E in the row, right? A is right of B given. A is a right of B on, right? A is a right of B. So right means what ma? It is not immediate right. Any gaps between B and A, right? That is the meaning. Next one ma, A is right of B and E is left of C only. E is what here left of C on, right? E is the left, right? So left also means what ma here gap between them we can't tell exactly. E is left of C and also E is left of C and also right of A given, right? E is left of C and right of A, right? And E is what ma here left of C and E is right of A also. E is a right of A, right? Right given. And B is right of D given and B is a right of D only. B is a right of D, right? That means that D is a left of, na? So B is right of D. This is a given thing. Now we'll fill this particular data. So we'll arrange the given thing, right? Here all locations we are not getting exactly, but five different houses are there. We can mark five positions here, right? Five positions, right? Now we can connect this particular thing, na? Here D is a what ma left of B and B is a left of A here. Next one ma A is what ma here a left of E and E is a left of C. We don't know exact location, but these are two things we can connect it, na? If we connect it DBA EC order we can get directly, right? So DBA EC order we can get it, right? Clear ma? Who is middle what ma which house is the middle house in this particular arrangement? They're asking its value equal to how much ma? We can get A on, right? So there is a connection is there, no need to arrange it na again. So we can write it this one directly, right? Question here. Here six persons A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting in two rows, three in each row, right? Facing each other. E is not end of any row, right? And D is the second to the left of F, right? D is the second to the left of F, right? So that means what? Second to the left of F. So only one gap between them, na here. Second to the left of F, right? So one gap we can write middle, right? If you want. So next one, D is second to the left of F and C, who is neighbor to E. C, who is neighbor to E, and sitting diagonally opposite to D on, right? Sitting diagonally opposite to D given here, and B is a neighbor of F on, right? And B is what here neighbor of F, either BF format or FB format we can imagine it, right? Now so first row those are what ma like you they are sitting here, na? Those are facing towards north, right? Upward direction. Here your left only left and here it is the right on, right? And the second row persons are there, na? This is second row. This row persons are facing towards you, right? So here they are what ma, and this is the right to them and it is the left of them, right? Left of them, right? Now we'll see that, right? and here if I'm taking E cannot be end of any row here. Okay, now we'll arrange this particular. If I'm taking what ma D F na, and D is what ma second left to the F given here. First I can arrange this particular thing, right? Only 3 persons only. Here we can arrange this particular thing. Here F I can put it here. Here a D, one space between them na here. Next one, and D and F are what ma neighbors are to each other. This statement I'm using here. D and F are neighbors to each other. B and F, right? And I can put B value here, right? And next one ma here C and D are diagonally opposite to each other, and C should be here on, right? Diagonally opposite value this particular thing, right? So and here C only, and E is a neighbor to what ma here C on, right? And only one person left out, that person is A on, right? Now this is the arrangement on, right? We have done very easily with the given information, right? Now see this one, which of the following is one of the two rows, right? And AFC one row, AEC one row, AEC not there, and DBF one row, right? DBF is there, so option 2 is the correct option, right? And who is facing B on, right? And who is opposite to B here? Opposite to B is what ma E on, right? So who is facing B is given? It is the E on, right? We can answer this question very easily, right? Next, similarly, so there are 5 speakers here, so I can take 5 places. 1 2 3 4 5 I can take it. So R is what ma neither first nor last mentioned in the question, right? This will cancel it. R cannot be first place and R cannot be last place, right? Next one, there are 3 speakers after S, right? So definitely I need to fill S in the second place, then only 3 speakers we can get after S, na? And next one, there are 3 speakers ahead of T, right? So to get 3 speakers before T, I need to fill T in the 4th place on, right? Then there are 3 speakers ahead of T na here. So I can get 4th place na, 4th place for T, right? Next one, so P speaks after Q given, after means anywhere, right? So P speaks after Q here. So that definitely what ma after Q anywhere, right? Next one, then who is the last speaker to speak, right? So definitely where I need to fill here. So I need to fill Q in, if I fill Q value in this place, third place, if I'm filling Q value, what will happen? Then P definitely I need to fill here P, then R we can't place it, right? So this is not correct arrangement na here. Now definitely Q I need to place in the first place. If I fill Q in the first place, then what ma? So R we can't fill in the last place, P I can fill in the last place, and R automatically will come to the third place on, right? R will come to the third place. So then they are asking here, who is the last speaker to speak, na? Then who is the last speaker to speak here? And last speaker to speak equal to how much ma here? So last speaker to speak is what ma P. So we'll get the option C is the correct option in this case, right? And it is very easy, I think so. You can understand this part clearly, right? So thank you.